Hello. In this video, you will see farm operator jobs with visa sponsorship in Australia. Please, if you interested, check the link below in description and apply. Do you have a love for the great outdoors? Do you enjoy seeing your hard work grow? Essential business. Modern machinery. Full-time positions. Our client is a family-owned business in Western New South Wales. They pride themselves on their vision, values, and quality while believing their staff make the difference. Having undergone a significant and sustainable expansion of its business in New South Wales, an opportunity for a highly motivated individuals to join its newly expanded brushed potato growing and packing operation. We are currently recruiting for farm hands, who are highly motivated, enthusiastic individuals with a willingness to learn. These are permanent positions working within a small team, involved in all aspects of farming from ground preparation to harvesting. The successful applicant would have attention to detail with a can-do attitude and will need to demonstrate experience in the following: operating tractors with GPS guidance systems, general farm and plant maintenance, chemical handling certificate, knowledge of irrigation and fertigation, good communication skills, driver's license, forklift license. Experience in potato production would be an advantage but not essential. This is a full-time position with a basic salary range of between $45,000 and $55,000 per annum plus superannuation. If you are highly motivated and are looking for a role in a growing organization, then we want to hear from you. Please note, only applicants who are in Australia will be contacted to arrange an interview. If you are looking for sponsorship or to transfer your visa and are onshore, please apply. Thank you.